In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to 1v1 between PC and console on Rainbow Six Siege and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we can do a 1v1 using crossplay on Rainbow Six Siege, you can try to go ahead and invite your friends to a squad. You might have issues getting them in because of Ubisoft Connect, and even if you go ahead and you try to make a custom game, they won't be able to join you because of limitations. As you can see, if we head over to the Ubisoft help page, what they have to say is that Rainbow Six Siege supports crossplay between PC, Stadia and Luna, or between PlayStation and Xbox consoles. What this is telling us is that even though we have crossplay, the way that crossplay works is that PC players cannot play with console players. Console players will be able to crossplay between themselves, but because PC players cannot do crossplay with them, it means that it's impossible to 1v1 between PC and console on Rainbow Six Siege. Sadly, you will not be able to 1v1 regardless of which platform you and your friends are on. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of doing 1v1 on PC and console inside of Rainbow Six Siege. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.